What is the process or stages involved in trademark application? The first and foremost step is the public search. In public search, you want to make sure that no similar mark is registered in the registry, and then you can proceed for filing your trademark application. After filling the application, you want to affix your signature by the way of DSC and pay applicable government fee. After paying the government fee, a trademark application number will be generated by the trademark registry. Based on this application number, you can just track your trademark application in the trademark website itself. After filing your trademark application, the registry will issue examination report in few months. Based on the reason given in the examination report, you need to file a reply for the same. If the registry is satisfied with your reply, then they will proceed for next stage, that is advertisement. If they are not satisfied with your reply, then they will fix one day for hearing. After advertising your trademark application in the trademark registry, the registry will wait for almost 4 months to check whether any objection is raised by the public or not. No objection is filed by any one of the public, then your trademark application will be moved for next stage, that is registering your application. In case any objection is filed by any one of the public, then you need to file a counter statement for the same within 60 days from the date of objection notice. After you filing the counter statement, the trademark registry will allot 1 day for hearing. After hearing the parties, the trademark registry will decide whether to grant the trademark application or refuse the same. So this is the entire process involved in the trademark application. For any queries, please do contact Kanakkupillai.com.